How do you keep your brand new Tesla looking brand new without spending countless hours washing, waxing? We have a solution here at Immaculate Paint Protection. Our professional-only ceramic coatings provide a durable paint protection against UV fading, provides some self-cleaning properties, and will keep your Tesla looking newer, longer, for a time span that's measured in years, not months or weeks. Do you love a new car shine? You want to keep your Tesla shining, glowing, glossy? Do you want to have the cleanest Tesla? You want to impress your friends and family every time you pull up? We can help you out. Contact us at Immaculate Paint Protection. Are you worried about the paint on your brand new Tesla? Are you worried about how you're going to maintain it? Are you worried about how to keep it clean? Our ceramic coatings provide a durable bond to your paint, a great protective layer against UV fading, and help make it easier to wash your vehicle. When your vehicle's brand new, that's not the only time it can look its best. At Immaculate Paint Protection, our ceramic coatings offer a solution to the new Tesla owners to keep their Tesla looking new 1, 2, 3 to 5 years, their ceramic coatings. Our ceramic coatings are professional only, and we have a best-in-class warranty that gives you the option of deciding which warranty works best for you. We have a base warranty where you never have to see us again, or if you elect to come back to Immaculate Paint Protection for the ceramic coating maintenance, we will automatically extend the warranty for you. The ceramic coating process. We start with a thorough wash of the vehicle. We'll start by washing the rims, the rim faces, the rim barrels. Then we will foam can the vehicle. We'll rinse it off. We'll do an iron decontamination process of the vehicle. This will remove any embedded iron, rail dust, brake dust, industrial fallout. We'll then rinse the vehicle off. We'll foam can the vehicle again, and we'll employ a 2-bucket method wash on your Tesla. We'll rinse the vehicle again. We will then inspect the vehicle by feel. If the vehicle needs a clay bar step to remove embedded, bonded on contaminants, we'll employ the clay bar process. We'll rinse the vehicle off again. Then we will dry the vehicle with luxurious microfiber towels. The next step is paint correction. Paint correction is a big, kind of confusing topic. Paint correction is simply buffing, polishing, machine work. Paint correction is to enhance the gloss level on the vehicle. It can be very simple. It can be a polish to remove light swirls from improper washing. If the vehicle has been damaged from either an automatic car wash or from improper wash methods or snow removal, it could have deeper scratches that require more paint correction. The more paint correction, the more expensive it becomes. All of our ceramic coating packages include a light polish, which will remove most swirls. If the paint is damaged, we will inspect the vehicle and evaluate the vehicle with you and show you what additional paint correction work is needed to enter those results. We'll give you a firm price before you leave. Then we'll apply the ceramic coating after paint correction. We can also ceramic coat the trim. We can ceramic coat the rims, and we can ceramic coat the glass, which is great for improved visibility during rainy conditions. After the ceramic coating is applied, the vehicle needs to stay dry for a minimum of 24 hours. It will be kept inside our shop at all times.